Time for a bit of a routine weather check. Let's see. I'm about to plug this thing in. Sorry about me plugging in the radio, but I'm just checking to see if
W. Bush trying to you know, that is a
music. What if I could just go to 97.3? Hey, gonna check EAS-95 in a second. Putting on that police cannon.
Seas 3 to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms.
Sorry, I'm not playing. I love metal guitar music. I don't know why.
Seas 3 to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms. Monday, southwest wind 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Southwest wind 10 to 20 knots.
Oh, that's a new radio station just discovered. What the heck? 95.9?
Southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Southwest to southwest 10 to 15 knots.
Right, and more. Plus, Lil Nas X, Billy Ray Cyrus, and Keith Urban perform the hit Old Town Road.
Really? What's with Old Town Road? God.
Reason number 52 to choose Diamonds Direct over any other.
Becoming 10 to 20 knots.
Diamonds Direct.
Seas 3 to 5 feet. Today's surf forecast for the weekend of Warren County. There is a moderate risk of recurrent hurricanes. Wind and wave conditions support stronger or more frequent occurrence. The surf will be around 2 feet, with northeast winds around 10 miles per hour. The ultraviolet index at noon indicates a moderate risk of harm from unprotected sun exposure. The lightning risk is high. This implies that thunderstorms are likely or expected. The water spout risk is moderate.
Screw it.
Atmospheric conditions indicate that water spout formation is possible.
Oh, fuck.
The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Water spout formation possible? Are you fucking kidding me now? Oh my lord. I just turned off my radio for a second, but holy shit.
Only gradual development of the system is expected for the next few days while it moves west-northwestward across the northern Lesser Antilles.
Fuck.
Subsequently, some slight additional development is possible by the middle of next week while the disturbance moves northwestward, north of Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 20%. Formation chance through 5 days, low, 30%. The next 4 types at spring wave period in Myrtle Beach will be a low tide at 4:07 p.m., a high tide at 10:15 p.m., a low tide at 4.
Oh, it's turned off. It just says plugged in, just making lights.
On Sunday. The next 4 types at Winnipeg Bay from South Jetty will be a low tide at 4:16 p.m.
Might as well go check WXL 56. Holy fuck, I didn't know waterspout formation is possible at this coast. This is KAC-95 Conway, Myrtle Beach, by the way. What? Here are the what? Well, I might as well go and check Asheville. WXL 56.
Private jets around 83 in Bristol and 84 in Roanoke. Once again at 1 p.m., Sydney It was 82 degrees and fair. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the central and southern mountains, including the Asheville, Henderson Hill vicinity.
Blah blah blah. There's nothing there.
Scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower.
Go continue checking on KEC-95. Might as well go check KEC-95 is still connecting though. I didn't know water spout formation was possible. Jesus Christ. It just started raining outside and I was like, oh my god.
The wind was east at 12 knots.
Don't mind my radio in the corner.
The wind was east at 6 knots. Water temperature was 83 degrees.
They said water spout formations.
Wait period 8 seconds. Swell height 3 feet.
Damn.
Swell period 8 seconds. A tropical wave passing offshore will bring periods of rain near the coast through the morning.
Oh,
Abundant moisture will lead to isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms through the weekend.
dang.
Unsettled conditions will continue next week with shower and thunderstorm chances continuing through Friday.
Oh, fuck.
And now taking a look at the forecast for the Grand Strand and surrounding area. Issued at 12:20 p.m. This afternoon,
Today is,
mostly cloudy
right
with
now it's
scattered
1:24
showers with a slight
p.m.
chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the
Holy
lower
shit.
80s. East winds 5 to
That
10
is so
miles
crazy.
per
I
hour.
just like tracked a freaking water spout risk. It's like, they said it was possible to get a water spout, so that's kind of, that's something new.
Winds 5 to 10 miles